Now, instead of one ball, let us draw two balls at random. Okay, and let us see what are the possible questions when we draw two balls at random. Okay, so to continue with this arithmetic operation, let us consider the same bag, the bag of 8 blue balls, 6 red balls, and 5 green balls. Alright, great. So now let us try to do the questions. Now remember, when we talking about two balls here, there are two events, right? So when we talking about two events, there are a couple of assumptions that we are making here. What are they? The first assumption is that the first event occurred before the second event took place, and the second assumption is the ball is not placed unless otherwise stated. Alright, great. Now having said this, let us see what are the questions based on this. The first one is, when we draw two balls at random, what is the probability that both the balls are blue balls? So this is nothing but probability of blue and blue, which is equals to probability of blue 1 into probability of blue 2. Right? So when we say and, it is multiplication. Okay? So tell me, what is the probability of the first blue ball?
8 by 19.
8 upon 19, right? And what is the probability of the second blue ball?
7 by 18.
7 by 18, right? So one ball is gone, there are only 7 blue balls, and the total number of balls will only be 18 now, right? So this is nothing but the probability of 2 blue balls. Okay, great. Now let us say, what is the probability when two balls drawn at random? What is the probability that the balls drawn are red and green ball? Okay, the probability of red and green is equals to probability of red comma green or probability of green comma red, right? The first pick can be red and the second pick can be green, or the first pick can be green and the second pick can be red. Is it not? So now let us see how to solve this question. The probability of red and green is equals to probability of red comma green, that is nothing but probability of red and green plus probability of green comma red, that is probability of green and red, right? So what is the probability of red here?
6 by 19.
6 by 19, right? And what is the probability of green?
5 by 18.
5 by 18, right? Remember, one ball is gone, totally 18 balls are there. Or, so we got probability of green, that is 5 by 19 times probability of red is 6 by 18 here, right? So if you see, both these two things are the same, right? Now, when we are multiplying the same thing, so can I say 2 times 5 by 19 into 6 by 18, right? So this is how we calculate the probability of red and green. Is that clear?